Hi there. Welcome to Craft with Kathie. Well, hello there, my crafty friends. It sure has been a long time. Oh, I'm so glad to be able to do this tonight. Coming at you from the suburbs west of Chicago. Drop me a line. Let me know where you're viewing from. I have something interesting for tonight, and I toyed with this and went back and forth, and I couldn't make up my little mind. But what I definitely knew I wanted to do tonight was use this beautiful, absolutely gorgeous Verity board. This premium chalkboard, porcelain coated steel magnetic board is perfect for anyone's home decor. And of course, I can't fit the full board on here. It is a surface of 9 by 12, but the detail on this board is absolutely outstanding. I'm going to raise it up a little bit and hopefully you can get a little pic of it. It is just so beautiful. So what I was struggling with, what would be appropriate to put on it? And this is what I came up with, because I had a couple different ideas, and then of course at the last minute, knowing me, I changed my mind. But I thought the do good and good will come to you was appropriate for it. I think it works well with it. The do good transfer is actually one of our transfers that when you purchase it, $2 of every purchase will go to the organization Watts of Love. If you'd like to know more information about Watts of Love, just comment Watts and I will let you know about it. But basically, Watts of Love provides solar lights to families in need in communities where they don't have electricity, and they generally are using kerosene. And kerosene can be very expensive, but also very dangerous. And I think the organization was started when a woman was there with her husband on a business trip, and I think it was Malawi, and ran into some children that had been seriously burned by kerosene. And she thought, this is just awful. Well, not only does the organization supply solar lighting to these families in need, but it also provides training and helps them learn to lift themselves out of poverty. So it's a great organization. Like I said, if you'd like more information, comment Watts. If you buy this transfer, $2 will be donated, and for every $50, another family gets a solar light. So it's really cool overall. So I'm going to take this out of the transfer and tell you exactly why I thought it would go perfect on this Verity board. This month's color of the month is Nominee. And I thought, what better, what would look richer on this Verity board than this color paste and this sentiment? So that's what I'm opting to go for tonight. It's so beautiful. Isn't it absolutely beautiful? It's actually a metallic. It's not a shimmer. And it is just absolutely beautiful to work with. A real joy. And it makes everything you do with it that much more beautiful. That makes any sense. And oh yes, I am a bit biased, but it truly is a beautiful color. And I'm hoping that we have more metallics in our future. Hey, did anybody catch on to the return of Dream Car limited edition? Oh my goodness, if you didn't miss Dream Car before, grab it now. I don't know how much is left, and you don't want to miss it for a second time. Okay, so I'm going to fuzz my transfer real quick. This is going to be a quick, easy project. I don't think you really need much with this beautiful frame and this amazing chalk paste and this sweet, empowering transfer. And yeah, I do think it's empowering. Do good and good will come to you. You know, I have always looked at doing good as just do it for the heck of it. Not that you expect anything on the flip side. But if there's something on the flip side, so much better, right? So, definite proponent of doing good. Okay, I didn't fuzz this a whole lot, but you know what? I see I'm on the Verity board. Verity board, very, very smooth because it's porcelain over steel. So I am going to fuzz it a couple more times because it is going to stick like crazy to it. A little bit different than our average chalkboards. Yes, this is a premium chalkboard. It's beautiful. Porcelain over steel, and it is also magnetic. And oh, do I have some ideas for the holidays for this board. I think I have a 12 by 18 that I have something Christmassy on that maybe it's time to remove. But what's nice about it, if you love what you did to it, just leave it on it and enjoy it. But if you tire of it or the seasons change, spritz it with a little bit of water, hit it with a board eraser or a board scraper, and remove the paste and put another design on that. How simple and easy is that? Now I know I'm using a mini squeegee here. I really should have a small squeegee. Oh wait, I've got one. Is it clean? No, it's not clean, but this was my little gift from Club Couture. My annual little gift is a small, I guess this is hot pink, berry colored, whatever, small squeegee. And notice the difference between our mini and our small. So I'm actually going to use this because I'm doing it one color. Let me just clean it up real quick. I know I'm notorious for leaving paste on my squeegees. But sometimes, you know, when you're done with the project, there's other things you have to move on to, right? And isn't that one of the nice things about chalking, how quick and easy it is to actually do and complete a project? I know sometimes it takes me a little bit of time to think about what I want to add as an embellishment or get just the right bow or some little floral pieces or whatever. But basically, most of my projects with chalking, the chalking, even in really, really intricate transfers, it's done in less than an hour. Now, how many other types of hobbies can you start from start to finish and be done in an hour? I mean, really. I love chalking. What can I say? Okay, here goes with the nominee. Ooh, it's so beautiful. And it just slides right on. It just glides over the transfer. I did press it down and feel to make sure that I didn't have any air bubbles. So I want to make sure that I get everything covered here. Need a little bit more paste there. I'm so anxious to see this. I know it's going to be beautiful. And if I make a mistake or I have an air bubble like I thought I had right there, all I have to do is spritz it with water, clean it off, and do it again. Our transfers are reusable 8 to 12 times or more. So I could put this on the sign. I could put this on a t-shirt. I could put it on a canvas tote bag. I could actually do it on a piece of fabric for quilting and maybe make it the center of a quilt. Wouldn't that be kind of interesting? The application's up to you. What ideas do you think? Where do you think this transfer would look good? I want to make sure I get all my letters. I'm notorious for missing the tops and the bottoms. I'm just smoothing out, removing any lines here. Picking up any excess paste because the excess paste I'm putting back in the jar. I know a little goes a long way, but hey, why waste it, right? It's such a beautiful, beautiful metallic gold. Okay, time to peel and reveal. I always lift from the top, the bottom, the left or the right. I'm going to lift this slowly, make sure I didn't miss any tops or bottoms of my letters. This is beautiful, and it is distressed, by the way. Obviously, the frame is distressed. This transfer has no distressed letters on it. I had someone the other day who was concerned with something, and they thought that the application was poor, but the transfer was actually distressed. And a lot of ours are a little bit more distressed, a little bit of a rustic look. And when it is like that, if you do make a little oops, sometimes it's not even noticeable. Okay, so Let's take a good look at this. Do good and good will come to you. Isn't this absolutely beautiful? And you can put it anywhere. It'll fit in with any type of decor. Simple, quick, easy, and beautiful. Thanks for joining me tonight. I surely do appreciate it. Have a nice evening. I'll see you soon.